To the corridors of justice now. Kapseret Member of Parliament Oscar For Sudi will for the first time today spend his night in the comfort of his home after almost 1 week in the cold police cells.
This is after the High Court ordered for his release on a cash bail of 500,000 Kenya shillings.
Now, the combative Member of Parliament has been in police custody since Sunday and was due to continue being in police cells for another 7 days pending his plea taking.
Oscar Sudi had moved to the High Court to challenge a decision by a lower court to detain him for 7 more days as the National Cohesion and Integration Commission and the police investigate 7 charges leveled against him by the state.
Joanne Letting has more from Nakuru.
Sudi in the application sought orders by the court to have him out on bond and not 7 days in the cells, as ordered by Chief Magistrate Josephat Kalo on Wednesday. His lawyers, led by Nelson Harvey, Kipchumba Murkomen, Professor George Wajakoya, Kipkoech Ngetich, Isaac Terer and others, argue that the trial court gravely erred and failed to be guided by the Constitution when it ordered the legislator to be detained for 7 days to allow detectives conclude investigations.
Be pleased to admit Honorable Oscar Sudi to bond on such term as may be reasonable to the court.
To charge detention takes away the fundamental right of the suspect.
This is a matter where the honorable member for Kapseret should not even be asked to post cash bail. He should be released on his word to keep the peace.
The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, led by Daniel Karori, however, opposed the review application. The DPP argued that they are still conducting investigations and could not have preferred any charge until they are done with the investigation. In releasing the MP on cash bail, Justice Joel Ngugi ordered Sudi to maintain law and order while enjoying his freedom and avoid making utterances that may jeopardize his freedom.
Sudi Oscar Kipchumba shall be admitted to bail in the sum of Kenya shillings 500,000 with respect to all the charges the state contemplates to bring against him, as covered by the state's application before the lower court.
Sudi walked out of the police station at 4 p.m. He and his lawyers expressed their gratitude to the public and the High Court for granting him bail.
This is a great day, not only for Oscar Sudi, but for all Kenyans, because the Constitution that you worked so hard to promulgate is the one that guarantees these rights.
Parliament and the Judicial Committee in the Senate plus to pass legislation on venue so that nobody is arrested again and flown to another destination, therefore curtailing liberties of this particular person.
For anyone who was hoping that he was going to use state power to intimidate any leader or any citizen of this country from standing firm on issues that affect this nation, we are uncowed, we are unbowed, we are going to continue speaking on the issues that are affecting our nation because we were elected as leaders to do so.
Nilifika kule ndani nikapata Wakenya wengi wenye wameshindwa kulipa bail ya 3,000-5,000. Na kwa sababu ya uwezo wangu kidogo, mimi nashukuru Mungu, na hata kuna mwenye alinieleza kule ndani ya kwamba mheshimiwa ni mzuri ulikuja hapa ili sisi wengine tupate kwenda nyumbani. Nimetoa watu zaidi ya 51.
Sudi is facing charges of hate speech, assault of a police officer, offensive conduct, unlawful possession of firearm, and resisting arrest. Sudi surrendered himself to police in Langas police station last Sunday and was airlifted to Nakuru, where he is awaiting to be formally charged. Joanne Letting.